How to resize frame with content in Figma. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, the default method for resizing something in Figma is to click and drag. Simply click and drag and resize it. To resize an element or object really precisely, go to the Properties Inspector located at the top right part of your file. Find the height and width fields and input the values of your choice. You could also drag the values with your mouse cursor. You can always use this method to get the exact proportions you need, like 140 times 140, 100 times 50, and so on. Remember, whatever values you input in the properties field will be reflected into your frame, so it's important to choose proportion that wouldn't distort your frame. For example, 150 times 20 element will likely look distorted. That's how to resize frame with content in Figma. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.